Have you ever been around or with somebody that was very controlling, manipulative, and they did not like whenever you tried to stand up for yourself? Yes, I'm talking about a narcissist, and they do not like your confidence. Let's talk about it. A narcissist thrives off of control. They lack empathy. They feel the need for constant validation, and all while they put in little to no effort. They'll put in just enough effort to make you feel like they're trying to be better, or they're trying to show you that they really rock with you. It's all it's all gaslighting. Now, once you really deal with a narcissist, their objective is to keep you feeling at your lowest. Their thing is to keep you feeling like you need them. They just want the upper hand at all times. They really don't give a damn about anything but themselves. Now, once you really take and start switching your energy, once you realize that, okay, something is not right with this person, once you start pointing out their flaws and what they're doing, is going to trigger something inside of them. They're going to do their best to try to make you question yourself. They're going to make you feel like maybe what you're thinking in your head is completely opposite of what it actually is. Again, it's all gaslighting. A confident person is not very easily manipulated. They're not dependent on another person's emotional attachment. The narcissists, they want you to be emotionally attached to them. They want you to be easily manipulated. By taking your confidence back, you're literally making a battle between you and them in their mind. Your confidence is going to make the narcissist reflect on their own inner lackings and their own personal security. Having your confidence is literally going to test in the narcissist's mind who's the superior in that relationship or dynamic. As the narcissist is starting to get challenged because you're being more self-confident, now they're going to start trying to make people take their side. They're going to tell everybody all the bad things about you, which probably isn't anywhere near what the bad that they're putting out, but I digress. They're going to do everything they can to make you doubt yourself. As you start becoming more confident, they're going to start pulling back from you. They're going to withhold their attention and affection if you guys are in a relationship. It's all manipulation. And that might be probably the number one trait of a narcissist, is to manipulate you to either give in to them, to submit to them, or to give them exactly what it is they want. Which, if you do that, is only going to be temporarily affixed until they want something different or something more. And then the whole cycle repeats itself. Hell, some narcissists are even going to resort to violence because That's just all they know. And a lot of times they can't really communicate what exactly their problem is. And if they're not getting their way, they just resort to violence or things like that. Like I said before, the narcissist is going to do everything to manipulate you. Now, as you're building your confidence, you can't show any weakness. You can't let the narcissist know that they're getting under your skin or into your head. They're going to try to pull on your heartstrings. They're going to try to get to your emotions. Don't engage in it. Don't show any signs of weakness or doubt or anything like that. Keep it neutral. And when you feel like they're starting to go overboard, don't even engage in it. Now you're letting them argue with themselves. Set your boundaries unapologetically. They're going to try to guilt you. They're going to try to say that you're being overboard. You don't care. Yeah. Don't even engage in that bullshit. Also, they're going to try to seek external people to try to sell their point to in efforts to make you submit or make you feel like you're wrong. Now, this external person, they might be getting manipulated by the narcissist, or it might be the narcissist family member or friends or whatever. Don't even let any of that bull get to you. Don't let it affect you, because like I said, they're probably just being manipulated also. You make your boundaries and you stand on them 10 toes down. They could either like it or love it. Simple, point blank, period. As you build your confidence, as you make your decisions based on your confidence, don't explain nothing. At that point, it is what it is. Let them know they could take it or they could leave it. Simple as that. At the end of the day, the narcissist is going to dislike your confidence because they cannot control it. Your confidence is going to be like your brick wall that guards you, that you stand behind. They're going to try to do everything to try to knock that wall down. Even if they could drill a little teeny tiny pinhole in that motherfucker, that's going to give them access to completely knock your wall down at the end of the day. We're not going to have none of that. Everybody be sure to like, share, subscribe, please. It means the world to me. Everybody be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you feel inclined to do so. It really would mean the world to me, and it really would help my channel out. I appreciate you so much. I want everybody to stand tall, know the signs of when you're dealing with the narcissist. And a lot of times, we could just break free from it. Don't fall for none of the traps, none of the manipulation, no matter what your relationship is with this narcissist. Even if you have to go no contact with them, if that's going to protect your peace, so be it. Everybody drop in the comments. Let me know if you've had a narcissist that hated the fact that you had confidence and that they couldn't manipulate or gaslight you. Let's have a discussion. Let's get the message out to others that they are not alone in whatever they may be going through in life. I appreciate everybody for staying this long. Everybody take care, stay blessed, stay elevated. I'll see you in the next one. Salute.